If you're making that early morning start, you will feel the breeze, but those gusty winds really arrive during the day on Monday. Monday is an impact day as well as Tuesday, where we will see stronger winds than on Monday. And yes, definitely the opportunity for those gusty winds to be impactful for you into the afternoon and evening hours. Wind speeds for the overnight are not going to be too bad, at or below that 10-mile-per-hour range, but things are going to start to change as we move on into the forecast from that point on. Our wind gust forecast has a few gusts for this afternoon in locations, but by tomorrow morning, I think more of us are going to see those gusts above 30 miles per hour, even a 50-mile-per-hour wind gust possible through that Las Vegas area. And here comes the big winds. Late afternoon, early evening on Monday. Again, another high impact day for you. 60-plus-mile-per-hour wind gusts for Gallup. We'll even see some 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts across most of Santa Fe. In all, the winds are going to stick with us well throughout the day on Tuesday. So those two impact days, by Tuesday afternoon and evening, things will start to improve, but it's going to take us a while to get through this system. The red flag warning currently in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. We have another one that's going to kick in for tomorrow and for Tuesday, but tonight it'll be clear and cool. We'll get these temperatures down into the 40s and 30s, but by tomorrow afternoon, you notice we stay clear. A lot of sunshine, and that's going to help us out temperature-wise to bump into those upper 60s and lower to mid 70s for most of the region.